Yo, what is up, people? Welcome to the fourth episode of Training with Influencer. In today's episode, it is a very special episode. We have a special guest, and you know what? He's just 19. Like every video, in this video, we will be asking him questions like workout, diet, and many more questions which you have been wondering while scrolling through the content. He is one of the youngest content creator I know. Meet Viber. And boy, his triceps is definitely one of his biggest strength in his muscle group. And I'm so excited to ask him questions about that and learn a lot from him. Without any further ado, let's get started. How's college, bro?
College was tiring. I just came back from the college. So I just had 2 bananas, coffee, and I just came. It's fine.
Pre-workout meal. Then me still, bro. Like I couldn't fucking believe it. I was looking at his content and I'm like, bro, this guy cannot be 20 or 19, bro. I saw 19. I was shocked. Like this guy can't. What is your secret of that physique? It's like, people's quads are not that big, bro.
I literally love. So I started training when I was 16, training each and every day. And
You train every day.
no, 1 day is off. 1 day is off, and I train 6 times a week and eat whatever I want. I hit back and by, so you can do chest and try or shoulder try. Anything's fine.
Alright.
We'll do chest.
Alright. You take me through your workout, bro. That's all. Alright.
Yeah, it's cool. We'll go.
Alright, let's go. Pec deck. So we're gonna do pec decks as a warm-up set.
Eenzaam en verlaten.
Being a student, how do you find time for your workout? Like, find time to make it to the gym, prepare your meals. How do you?
Okay, so I'll tell you my daily routine. 9 o'clock I have my college, 9 to 4:30 max. I come back to my flat. I live alone over here.
So you have a timetable.
I don't have time to have a routine, that's it.
Okay.
So I don't live in Bangalore, I'm a student in Bangalore, so I live alone. I don't take pre, so I eat 2 to 3 bananas and a coffee, and I get to my gym. My gym is not that far, so it's easy for me to just travel and walk in, go to my gym. I hit gym for 1.5 hours or something. I come back, shower, make my meal, eat, sleep. As a student, I don't really learn, but we should learn. During my exams, I do learn, but I don't learn every day. You know Hindi, yeah?
Hindi. Crazy, I know Hindi. I can talk Hindi. Certain circumstances, situations. No, I can manage, bro. Bangalore Hindi. Like we get confused with the stealing and pulling. I always get. Bro, I still don't understand. Bro, how do you find the sex of a table, da?
How do you find what?
The sex of the table. Like like in a sentence, you if you have a table, you tell that is thrilling, and you just make the whole sentence thrilling.
Huh?
Yeah. No, it's the same thing in Hindi also. I will tell you. I just need one example. Yeah, I just need one.
Table or dining table.
No, any like non-living things. I'll tell you.
You need to know a sex of a table.
No, but that's how you describe like
ये table है.
ये एक टेबल है बस लेकिन वो what tell
We'll start with the warm-up set, then we'll go with working sets. 3
Okay.
working set, 1 warm.
3 working set and 1 warm-up set. Let's go. First set.
En zo lang.
What do you think about the rep ranges? How many reps do you feel it comfortable?
What I do is I go with slow form. So if you go slow, your muscle gives up a bit more faster. So I go till 8 to 10. Depends on what exercise I do. Again, pec deck I go till 12 to 14. Here I go 8 to 10. And First 2 sets obviously 8 to 10. Last set 1 drop set. Every exercise I take 1 drop set and I do till failure. Some negative reps and I get squat and so 8 to 10. No 10, 8 to 12. Sorry.
8 to 12 it is. Okay, let's go. 8 to 12 failure.
Yeah, we'll do 10.
Okay, done. Let's go. My arms are like shit, so I need a little arm pump and we are good to go.
We'll train. I'll let you know how
Yeah.
I train my triceps.
Triceps, yeah.
Many people get offended how I train my triceps. But yeah, that's how I train my triceps.
Even if anyone gets offended, show your triceps.
Fine.
Show your triceps. All right. Now you know what he tells. Just do it.
I mean, not offended, but yeah, they will say it's a wrong form. But I'll show you how it's a good form.
This is how Danny trains his triceps. Look at him.
Crazy.
You have been staying in a hostel or a PG, at least used to. How did you manage your diet and your protein goal? Did you have anything that you know?
So number 1, breakfast used to be peanut butter sandwich. 2 to 3, I guess 4 slices of bread. Good amount of peanut butter and banana. Lunch should be rice, dal, veggies, lots of cucumber for hydration. After workout, again pre-workout is banana and coffee. After workout, I used to have paneer, like a dairy milk or a 5-star. Just used to open it, hold it and have the raw paneer. If I'm in mood, I get pan, I cut the paneer, put Maggi masala and complete my protein goal over there. 1 protein shake a day, banana protein shake, and rice, dal, carbs, that's it. Oh, I'm a pure vegetarian, so I don't eat egg, I don't eat chicken. So protein goal skirt, main skirt, nuts, paneer, I guess broccoli and veggies, protein shake, peanut butter. That's it.
So these are your protein sources.
Yeah, these are my
Oh, bro.
all my meals are consist of these.
Okay. To all my vegetarian friends out there, and I will give you this one source. It's a no. Soy chunks, yeah, definitely. But this is a very underrated thing. No one knows about. It's a paneer, but this paneer, it's called Farm Connect paneer. And it has 35 grams of protein and 100 grams and only 5 grams of fat. You guys go check it out. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Even I used to complete my protein goal being a non-vegetarian through that paneer source.
I have paneer every day in my meal, so I'll surely check it out.
Yeah, it's a little. It's
I'm talking. I'm talking.
Everyone got good sets, good reps, 10 to 12 easy.
I'm talking.
See that chest.
I'm talking. I'm talking. I'm talking. I'm talking.
can't wait to try this machine. Fuck. If y'all haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go subscribe right now. Cause I won't be eating my cheat meal until I hit 5,000 subscribers. Please go subscribe, guys. I really want my cheat meal. If y'all don't have this machine, then definitely dips or decline press is a go-to, but I'm gonna try this machine and see. I want to ask you, how's your workout split? I want to know like exactly what you do. When are your rest days? What do you do on your rest days?
Follow 6 days of split. First day is legs. Uh, First day is like I train legs like an athlete, no squats, nothing. I do body weight exercises and explosive exercises. Second day is chest and tricep. Third day is back and bicep. Again legs. That day I do squats, hands, and a bit of mobility exercises. Then it's shoulder and tricep. So I train my chest and shoulder once a week, but it goes pretty intense. So recovery takes a lot of time. So after shoulder tricep, back bicep again. Then again I repeat the same legs. So I start my week with a leg workout.
Alright, boys, now let's go through his tricep workout. I'm so excited. Let's go.
10 reps of this.
Okay.
So I go down, hold for 2 seconds.
Okay, that's
I go up, then I push,
okay.
hold for 2 more seconds.
Okay.
And I try to go more down. So if you go up, again, hold, up, push.
Okay. Fuck, the range of motion is insane. But yes, form, this is something new for me.
Tell you 2-3 things. Many people will tell I have a wrong form because I go all the way up and then down. Hold for 2 seconds. What do I meant by hold is down? Yeah, now prepare your brain that you're pushing more down. But you don't have to go, you just have to push. Yeah, think you're going more push. Yes. And push. Hold. Easy. Then you go push. Well done. Well done. Good set. Very good set.
I feel it on my core also, bro.
Yeah, core is very important. I don't train my abs. So
No one does. No one does.
people are like, you still have good abs. So I don't train my abs. In all these exercises, my core gets good contraction and everything. So
How I'll tell you, even I used to think during my first year, no, it was just me facing my insecurities and a lot of things mentally I was going through. And
I was never insecure. The thing is, dysmorphia hits. Everything is like, fuck.
dysmorphia is always there, bro. But what do you think about those people who talk about body positivity?
Body positivity is good in some way, but people are like, fat is good. Yeah, nobody's telling you to have abs, muscles, but at least do something for your body.
Yeah.
People think we as a bodybuilder only think people who have abs, muscles are good. But no one is telling you like that. Don't do gym, go do badminton or something or other.
You play any other sport?
Oh, I used to play cricket. I used to play cricket for 8 years.
You know what whom he reminds me of? Bro, who that guy called Shaitan director? What's his name?
Vedant Madhavan. Each other person tells you, bro, what happened? And I'll tell you. You know West Side? I went West Side for shopping.
Oh, they okay, alright.
There, people were like, all the stuff were with me. It was Tamil Nadu, so Madhavan is famous in Tamil Nadu, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, why people are giving me so attention? I don't even want stuff. I'm just looking. I got 2 pants. I went to the cashier. all the employee came and stood there. I was like, what the fuck is this, Ranchit? Why am I doing this? They were like, sir, we need a feedback. I was like, okay, I'll give you, where's the QR? He's like, no QR. You have to write the feedback.
Insane, bro.
And what they told me first was, they gave me a book. They're like, write your father's name first. Don't write your name. Write your father's name, then you write your name. I wrote my father's name, I wrote my name, I wrote the feedback.
Oh,
They
they
all
mixed
were
it.
looking, what the fuck he's doing? Is he telling wrong or something? Then they gave me 500 off on the bill. They gave me 500 off simply. Nothing, no discount. They gave me 500. And I'm leaving, there's this girl coming. Sir, we know you are Vedant Madhavan, Madhavan's son. I was like,
Appa nahi manenge.
no, but they're like, no, don't lie, you know. Can we have a picture?
He's not. Oh my.
No, they asked me, can I have a picture? I was like, okay, cool. I thought they are telling me to click their picture. I was like, okay, give me the phone. They're like, no, we want picture with you. I was like, why? I thought they know me as an influencer. But they're like, I know you are Vedant Madhavan.
Bro, but like, look at him, bro. You can't see that.
Then, 15 people were standing behind me. I'm standing like this, and they took picture. Whole West Side crew took a picture with me.
That's
because-
crazy.
I was
He's a Olympic swimmer.
Yeah, he's an Olympic swimmer, yeah.
Since when did you start training?
Age will be 16. Yeah, 16 I started with home workout for 6 months, I guess. It was very random because I never wanted to be a bodybuilder or influencer or anything. It was a COVID time. My uncle, I live in a joint family, so my uncle bought a treadmill home. So that was a very fancy thing that time for me. So I was a game addict. I used to play Free Fire, if you know that game. I was a game addict. So I saw this guy, Yash Anand. I saw his transformation video on YouTube. I was like, damn, if he can do it, even I can do it. Then a guy who doesn't know how to train, I started running on the treadmill for 2 hours a day. My body weight was 48 that time, and I used to run. I used to eat and gain. I used to run like foreigner shit. People do foreign,
The 10,000 calorie challenge.
yeah, not those types of.
Burn 10,000, eat 10,000.
Yeah,
Sounds
no,
like that.
similar to that.
Really? No, I'm up for that. I'm thinking about something like that. What do you say?
Yeah, we'll do.
Do you have any meaning for this?
Yeah,
Is there anywhere else?
no, only.
Tell me.
Yeah, so I have 3 tattoos on my arms, and it has no meanings. This one
That is the meaning. That is art.
yeah, that. This I did randomly because I love the design. These are pieces of moon. Yeah, this one has a meaning. It's fading away because of the stretch marks. God over ups and downs. So this is G. This is greater than ups and downs. So if you believe in God, this is a good tattoo. God over ups and downs. These are pieces of moon and a random design.
Showing us how to do a full play. Yeah, pull over.
Crazy.
Vaibhav. So we do this thing in every episode.
What do we do?
Are you natty or not?
I'm natty, yo. If you see me in real, I'm pretty small. But yeah, with pump and good lighting, everyone looks good. Everything is achievable, but I'm a natty boy. Cool.
Have you ever gotten steroids accused?
Oh yeah, on Instagram, many does. But
And what do you have to tell them?
no, I don't reply to them. I mean, it's not like they just ask. Injection? Question mark. That's it. They don't abuse or anything, but they just ask. Not in a bad way. They
Yeah,
ask
yeah.
like, ooh, this is a bit sus. But I think in a good lighting, everyone looks big with a good pump.
Yeah, especially if you have lighting like relentless. All right, Vaibhav. So Harshavardhan has asked you how to gain weight.
I don't know. I really don't know. Me myself is struggling to gain weight. Just eat more. That's the only way you can gain weight. Eating more and good. It's simple. Each and every influencer will tell you this only. Eat more.
Okay. This is a very good question. What supplements are you taking?
Currently, I only take protein. I'm very inconsistent in creatine. I don't take any sort of pre-workout. So yeah, protein is the main source of. Protein is the main supplement. Creatine on and off.
Ritika has asked you what course are you studying?
Oh, I'm doing fashion designing.
All right. Now, last and final question. Okay, Jainam Mehta has asked you how to build mind-muscle connection and to finish workout in less time. Tell me how long you take to work out and how did you build that mind-muscle connection?
So per day I only train 2 muscles. So I do 6 sets, so 12 sets. So it hardly takes me like 1.5 hour, 1 hour 45 minutes. If I'm not shooting anything or doing anything extra, I'm just working out. And so it takes 1.5 hour, 1 hour 45 minutes max. And about mind muscle connection, you have to keep trying it. You have to. The best way of getting a mind muscle connection is by looking yourself in the mirror and training.
Okay, here is my thing. I feel, see, if you're a beginner, if you're someone who just started gym, then, bro, obviously you're not going to have that mind muscle connection in the start. You need to develop muscle. It will take time, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, right form, hit your protein goal, get the muscle, focus on your form. Like you saw his set, if you saw his set, his every rep, the time under tension, the time the bar touched, his incline, if you saw, the time from the top till it touched his chest was at least 3 seconds. So the time under tension should be good. Your form should be right. Doing all this, if you still don't have mind-muscle connection, you are not a human, bro. Honestly, because you will, by this time, during this time at least, you will definitely learn mind-muscle connection. That is all.
You know, when you train, you have to train like you're training seriously. I see many people just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They just train for like they want to get a pump. If you just do bicep curl 1, 2, 3 without seeing or knowing anything,
Training to get a pump is different and training to gain is
Strength.
different.
Yeah, so-
I'll be very honest, Vaibhav. I have learned a lot from today's workout. His time under tension definitely taught me how to actually train. When you meet people, he's having a better experience than me, and you look at his workout. Yes. Also, did you know that I haven't eaten my cheat meal for 6 months now?
damn.
Yeah, and I will eat my cheat meal only if I have 5,000 subscribers.
So how much you have right now?
I have only 2K, bro.
Boy, क्या कर रहे हो? Let this guy eat his favorite meal.
Yeah.
Subscribe, follow, like, everything.
At least for Vaibhav, bro. Come on. This guy, Vedant
Vedant Madhav.
Madhavan, our Bangalore Vedant Madhavan.
Guy's physique is very good. Very friendly. very
This
nice.
guy is
Get him 10k subscribers and
5K is enough. I can't have 2
we'll
cheat
do
meals.
a very good challenge soon.
Alright, boys. See you. Until next time. Subscribe. Peace.